Hello guys, today I'm going to show you top 5 best hybrid camera 2023 for both photography and videography, so no more delay, let's start the video. These cameras are ranking by randomly. Number 1. Panasonic LUMIX S5 IIX, brand Panasonic, model name Panasonic LUMIX S5 M2X, full frame mirrorless camera, maximum webcam image resolution 24.2 MP, photo sensor size full frame, 35mm, image stabilization digital, max shutter speed 1/8000 seconds, min shutter speed 60 seconds, exposure control type aperture priority, auto, manual, program, shutter priority, form factor mirrorless, effective still resolution 24.2 MP. About this item, key upgrades to a compact hybrid powerhouse, phase hybrid autofocus, active IS, and unlimited video and streaming, with 24.2 MP 35mm full-frame CMOS sensor for high resolution, natural description, and approximately 2x higher speed signal processing. Customer review of this camera. Great camera for shooting videos. Highly recommended if you are looking for a video-first hybrid camera. Number 2. Canon EOS R6 Mark II, brand Canon, model name Canon EOS R6 Mark II, body, maximum webcam image resolution 24.2 MP, photo sensor size full frame, 35mm, image stabilization digital, min shutter speed 30 seconds, metering description evaluative, form factor mirrorless, effective still resolution 24.2. About this item, full frame CMOS sensor, 24.2 effective megapixels, approximate, lets you capture sharp, detailed images even in low light conditions indoors and outdoors, compatible with dual pixel CMOS AF, high-speed continuous shooting, electronic shutter speeds of up to 40 frames per second at 20 MP let you capture dynamic action shots of athletes, animals, vehicles in motion, or even the split-second changes in facial expressions for portraits. Customer review of this camera. This is a wonderful camera. Definitely surpassed my expectations and worth every penny. Number 3. Panasonic LUMIX S5, brand Panasonic, model name Panasonic LUMIX S5, photo sensor size full frame, 35mm, image stabilization sensor shift, min shutter speed 1/8000 seconds, metering description center weighted average, highlight weighted, multi-zone, multiple, spot, exposure control type manual, form factor mirrorless, effective still resolution 24.2 MP. About this item, a lightweight, powerful hybrid camera for vibrant still photography and cinematic video. Realize your creative vision with extraordinary 4K 60p, 10-bit video, FHD 180 frames per second slow motion option, as well as 4:3 anamorphic support. Customer review of this camera. This is my first ever camera I've ever purchased, and so far this camera has been an amazing experience from the first week of owning it. Number 4. Sony Alpha A7 IIKE mount, brand Sony, model name Sony Alpha A7 II, maximum webcam image resolution 24.7 MP, photo sensor size APS-C, image stabilization sensor shift, max shutter speed 1/8000 seconds, min shutter speed 30 seconds. About this item, world's first 5-axis in-body image stabilization in a full-frame camera, capture stunning images with full-frame, 24.3 MP resolution. Lens compensation, peripheral shading, chromatic aberration, distortion. Customer review of this camera. Sony has very nice cameras. This model, I think, is a good deal for photographers, not videographers. I wasn't sure that I want to switch from Nikon, but I like the concept of using same lenses for a 6000 series and a 7 series. Number 5. Panasonic LUMIX G85, brand Panasonic, model name Panasonic LUMIX G85, photo sensor size micro 4/3, image stabilization sensor shift, max shutter speed January 400 seconds, min shutter speed January 400 seconds, metering description center weighted average, multiple, spot, exposure control type aperture priority, shutter speed priority, manual and automatic, form factor compact, effective still resolution 16. About this item, fine detail performance, 16 megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor with no low pass filter resulting in a near 10% boost in fine detail resolving power over existing 16 megapixel micro Four Thirds sensors, color temperature setting 2500 to 10,000K in 100K. Customer review of this camera. This was my first major camera purchase and I couldn't be happier. I still have a lot to learn to effectively use the camera to its fullest, but it's been great and easy to use. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you want to buy these camera, then check my description and comment box for buying links. Also you can use my links for seeing more details about those camera. No more today. Best wishes for you. Please like, comment and subscribe.